Welcome to Photoshop. Welcome to Photoshop. In this chapter, I'm going to introduce you to the core concepts of working with images. We will be learning about resolution, resizing, cropping, handling image files, and navigation. We will also get to know the user interface. This is a document window that I'm currently standing in. Every image that you open will come up in a document window like this one. All your amazing designs will come to life in these windows, but to help you along the way, you will also need panels to work with and, of course, tools from the toolbar. When you select a tool from the left, you will see the options bar, and let's not forget about the menus on the top, from where you can find many useful options. For instance, under the File menu, you can save your documents by choosing Save or Save As. No, not close.